Okay, so today we heard some sounds outside. We heard some sounds, and they were scary and explosions. So you can watch us do that now. Enjoy.
What's with those explosions outside?
Explosions.
None of yours.
Oh, yeah, I heard now. What was that?
It can't be nothing. You said it was nothing. Remember, we just bombed Syria like a couple days ago. So, we're America, man. It won't happen a second time. Yeah. Sit, fetch, save the world. Sounds like a good recovery. Well, I'm gonna go home.
Alright. Don't die out there.
I don't know.